Here we go again.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Osceola County in east central Florida until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Intersection City, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kissimmee, Celebration, Intersection City, Poinciana, and Campbell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The short-term.
Okay.